This is the Kohler GP 1018165-F tank to bowl gasket. Now this is a 3-inch tank to bowl gasket that works on several different Kohler models. So we're going to start with a couple of dimensions. Now with dimensions, keep in mind this one, it can vary just because the gaskets that have been used will be compressed between the tank and the bowl. So of course thickness and width are going to change a little bit. Starting with across the top on this inner diameter here. It's going to measure right at about 3 1/4, right just shy of 3 1/4 inches. Then we'll also get an outer diameter here at the base of the gasket. That's going to measure right at about just below 5 1/2 on that outer diameter, and then inner diameter at that outer ring. You can see there's an outer ring here, and then you got that inner ring. We're going to take the inner diameter here, and that is going to measure right at 4 inches. And this is an all rubber gasket. And once again, this is the Kohler GP 1018165-F.